Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. It's been a long time. In last class, what we are discussing, guys? At the rate value annotation, properties file. We discussed all this stuff or not? So your batch code 901, right? Nine zero one, right? Super. Spring core. Last class, what we discussed? Property file and value annotation. What is this one, guys? 14th. Today is 14th or 14th. May 14th. Okay. Application context container. And I18n internationalization, guys. What we are going to discuss is internationalization. I think one small point left in last discussion. Do you think system properties, property file content will come to will come to will come do you think they will come to your Spring Bean properties directly, guys? No, guys. First of all, they will be stored into an environment object. First of all, they will be stored into an object called environment object. From the environment object, they come to this place. Okay, guys. IOC container internally maintains few ready-made Spring Bean class objects like environment object. This object gets info from configured property file, system property file, environment variable, and send them to Spring Bean class object properties based on the keys placed in the placeholders and of the value annotation. Value annotation. So you want let me prove that there is environment object which is a ready-made Spring Bean. We don't create this Spring Bean, guys. Whatever content we are thinking, we are gathering and injecting to Spring Bean properties. Originally, they are not stored directly in the Spring Bean properties, guys. From property file, environment variables, system properties, first of all, they are read and stored into environment object. From environment object, they go to appropriate Spring Bean properties. You want to fill diagrammatically? Check it out. Yes, see guys, Property file content came into environment object. System properties came into environment object. Environment variable values came into environment object. From there, they are going to appropriate what? Spring Bean property based on the place where we used value annotation and placeholders together. Value annotation and placeholders together, right, guys? Based on the place where we used value annotation and placeholders together. Yeah. Tell me here, what is this 1101 PB? 516 boot rest. What's your batch code, guys? 901 PB, right? 901 PB. Yeah. Go to this place. Go to main class. Value annotation test. Hmm. Yes, boss. Tell me, guys, environment env ctx dot. I think everyone completed voting, guys. Who is going to win? ctx dot get environment, right, boss? Razu Khatri, you want to store data into property file? Huh? In core Java, there is a class called java.util.properties. Using that, you can store core Java. Yeah. See, guys, it is a ready-made object. I can gather from in context. Did I configure environment object as Springvine anywhere? No. But still I'm able to access? Yes. Okay, check it out. System property name. env dot array. What is the proof? It is there. System property OS name. OS dot name. System property OS name. OS dot name. See, guys, I'm proving that environment object is involved. First of all, everything will be stored into that object only. Click on this once again. It's coming, but we are not able to feel it. Yeah, OS.name Windows 11 is coming now, boss. Windows 11 is coming. And let me prove that it is injectable. It is injectable to another Spring Bean also. So I'm going to just taking one array. It's a Spring Bean. Now I can inject test bean, guys. Test bean. Tell me. At the rate component, guys. Private environment object. Yeah. Private environment object env. At the rate auto. At the rate auto. Then public wide display. Data is env dot get property of os dot name. os dot name, or you can take toString also, not a problem. Value annotation test, guys. I just want to prove it's a previous spring. Ready-made spring bean. We have not created, it's a ready-made. Okay, it's a ready-made IOC container internally managed spring bean. That is what I want to prove, guys. Test bean TB is equal to ctx dot get bean. ctx dot get bean. Come on, guys. ctx dot get bean. What's the name I have given? And I have not given any name. Any name is not given. Default bean ID comes into picture. Default bean ID comes into picture. Class name, first letter, small letter, right? Okay, test bean dot class. CO dot tb dot display, guys. System dot out dot println tb dot display. That method is not returning anything. Okay, just print tb dot display. Click on it, guys. Run this. Again, data is coming Windows 11 now. So with this, we practically proved that nothing comes to Spring Bean properties directly as part of at the rate value annotation based injection. Okay, first of all, property file content, system properties content, and okay, what is that? Environment variable values will be stored basically into what object? Environment object. From there, they will be injected to appropriate Spring Bean properties or not. From there, they will be injected to appropriate Spring Bean properties or not. I want reply. That has been practically proved here. Yes, boss. So what is the mediator between input values and Spring Bean properties? Environment object. Is it created by programmer manually by using at the rate bean method? No. That is IOC container managed object. So like this container managed ready-made Spring Beans will be there, guys. To make ready-made Java classes as Spring Bean at the rate bean method. Yes. No, I'm not talking about that. IOC container only manages some special objects, guys, as Spring Beans. Okay. So to access those Spring Bean, we can inject them to other Spring Beans by using at the rate auto avoid annotation. Because after all, bean to bean injection is always what? At the rate auto avoid annotation. At the rate auto avoid annotation. You know the fact. Okay, guys. Now listen. Next topic is discussion on bean application context container, guys. Our next topic is discussion on application context container. Sir, why should we learn this? Long back, there used to be one popular FAQ, guys. What is the difference between bean factory and application context? What is the difference between bean factory and application context, guys? We used to have very popular interview question. Nowadays, we are not working with bean factory container. We are working with only with I'm working with application context container, but still some old generation interviewers are asking what is the difference between bean factory and application context container. To give that answer more elaborately, okay, I'm going to give additional features that are there in application context container so that I can address that question very effectively. So for a few days, we'll be working with additional features that are there in what? Application context container compared to bean factory container. No doubt, more and more features are there in application context container only, no second thought in that. But people compares. Okay, next class I will compare. Today we will see additional features that are there in application context container. Application context container is equal to bean factory container plus plus. Some small box is bean factory container and big box is what? Application context container. Clear was? Additional features of application context container over bean factory container. Most of them already we discussed, guys, but listen. Still, we have to focus. Pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans. Array, singleton scope beans will be instantiated. The moment IOC container is started, singleton scope spring beans will be instantiated. I want reply from all you people, guys. Perfect. Direct support to work with properties, file and placeholders. We have a direct support to work with property files and placeholders, guys. We have a direct support to work with property files and placeholders. What do you say, guys? It's possible or not? Yeah, no need of any additional configuration, guys. We're able to work with property file directly and placeholder. Array in the last example. Super. Yeah, we already discussed in previous example. Actually, in bin factory container, after configuring property file also, to tell to container, hey play container, you please recognize placeholders. To tell to container, hey container, you please recognize placeholder. I need to do some extra configurations, boss. I need to do some additional configuration. That headache is there. Definitely that headache is there. Definitely that headache is there. Are you with me, guys? Super. Pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans, guys. Direct support to work with property files and placeholders. Support for internationalization. This feature I have not discussed, guys. I'm going to discuss. Sir, in bracket you have written i18n. What does it mean? The word internationalization is having 20 letters, boss. In shortcut, people writes it as I18 letters N. Internationalization. Kubernetes, very popular DevOps tool. Very lengthy word, na? K8S people write. K8 letters S. Kubernetes. Localization. 12 letters are there. L10N. L10 letters N. People writes like this, boss. Support for annotation programming, we already verified. Support for 100% code-driven programming, we already verified that. Support for event handling, we can keep track of when container started, when container stopped. In future, I am going to discuss about this. Ability to close or stop or refresh the IOC container. Ability to close or stop or refresh the IOC container. Yes, we are able to call close method, stop method, all this stuff, right? Allows us to make multiple Spring Bean configurations file at a time. It allows us to deal with multiple XML files at a time, guys. It allows us to deal with multiple XML files at a time, right now, boss? Anyhow, we stopped working with XML file. Don't worry about that feature much. In the Bean Factory container, we need to give extra inputs to IOC container to recognize and use placeholders. Whereas in application context container, the placeholders will be recognized and used automatically. They will be recognized and used automatically. Is it not interesting, Raghav? Okay. So out of so many features, most of the features we already discussed. Only event handling and internationalization we have to discuss. Event handling we will discuss in the advanced topics, guys. And internationalization is the feature that I am going to discuss. And this is very, very interesting feature, guys. The process of making our application working for different locales is called I18n. I'm not using locals, locales. Locale means country, language plus country. And a very simple, Rabo. Already you are enjoying locale in Google, you know. So here is my google.com. See guys, I selected, see, right now my location is in, right now my location is, my system location is in, mm, what is this? Singapore. So it is recommending those languages nearer to Singapore country. In Singapore, four national languages are there. Like in India, they have declared only one national language, right? But in Singapore, they declared four national languages: Chinese, Malay language, guys. And Malay is such a language. They have words, but they don't have a script to write. So that's why they write in English. They write in English. Okay, guys. Next, Mandolin, okay, some kind of Chinese guys, and Tamil. And 10 to 15 population in Singapore is Tamilians, boss. So that's the official Tamil. Tamil language is official language in this one. And when you're training in public transportations like MRT, LRT, okay, they're like MRT means metro trains. Okay, guys, metro trains kind of thing. You will get announcement in Tamil language also. You will get announcement in Tamil language also. Okay, so since my geography location is near to Singapore, I am in Singapore, so I'm getting languages that are spoken in Singapore. You open your google.com, you will get the Indian languages. You will get Indian languages. Anyone open and check? Anyone please open and check? This is Tamil, guys. This is Tamil. This is Bhasha Malay. Yeah, Malay Bhasha. Sayarasa Bhutan. So they don't have script, guys. I think this is a Chinese language. This is Chinese language. This is English. This is English. Okay, we'll go for English, guys. Yeah. For you people, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, this might have come. Kannada. Since I am in Singapore, Singapore languages are coming. Because in the world, nearly 80, 90 languages are there. It's meaningless to give 80, 90 languages here. Based on your geography conditions, they are suggesting the languages to use. They are suggesting the languages to use. Sir, time is not changed, sir. It is still showing Indian time only. Wantedly, I have not changed, guys. If you click on it, if you click on it, if you do settings, auto detect the time. Auto detect the time. Definitely, it will be changed, no doubt. Auto detect the change. Definitely, it will be changed automatically. But wantedly, I am not getting. Okay, let it be. I think you realized it. I hope you realized it, guys. That's good. Okay. Making our application working for multiple locales is called internationalization. Already google.com is having that facility, guys. And I think Amazon.com is also having that one. And Google Maps is also having that facility. Look at the Google Maps. Let me open Google Maps here. First, try to understand where it is already applied, boss. Google Maps. Okay. So, Gardens by the Bay is the bit famous place in Singapore, guys. Gardens by the Bay is the famous place in Singapore. Location. Route map, I said. Array, here why maps option is not coming? I should get Google Maps option now, boss. Okay, route map. Zara Flora Fantasy 14th May 20. Okay. Yeah, now I understood why it is not coming. Gardens by Bay. Yeah, now it's coming map option. It's not Google search results, guys. It's Yahoo search result. That's why not coming. Okay. Click on directions. Okay, forget about the directions. Okay, here you observe. Yeah, see, you're getting in how many languages, guys? You're still getting English? Still getting in English or multiple languages will be there? Yeah, Chinese language also you're able to see. Chinese also you are able to see now, boss. Are you able to see that? Boss. This is called gardens by the way. This is called gardens by the way, guys. So some places you are able to see Chinese language also, guys. Some places you are able to see Chinese language, right? Yeah, like this is one attraction, and this is one attraction in Singapore, and in China, in Singapore, we have two places very interesting names. One is Chinatown. A lot of China population and China items are available. And we have one more place called Little India. We have one more place called Little India. You can see Little India also. Little India. I think somewhere here you can see Little India. Little India. And if you go there, you will see a lot of Indians. You will get the feeling you are in India only. Are able to see that place called Little India, guys. Rachor. Rachor means somewhere here you can see Little India, guys. Able to show that. Array, 1 minute. Let me show that and I'll come back. Chinatown is okay. Where is Little India? I'm not able to show. Come on. I just want to make you people happy, nothing else. By showing that Little India. Are you able to see anywhere? Okay, fine, we'll see. Little India. Yeah, here you can see that, guys. You can see that, right? But what is that? In Google Map, are you able to see along with English captions? Are you able to see Chinese information also? Okay. Okay, right now, currently, I am staying in this area, guys. I'm staying in this Segar Road. Segar is there, na? This place. Okay, let it be. Let it be. How is my stay in Singapore? Quite, quite good. Quite good. But life is fully mechanical, boss. No, nothing is real. Everything is mechanical here. Busy, busy, systematic life, disciplined life. No emotions. People are mechanical here. Yeah, ENUS. Yeah, some examples for local boss. ENUS, English as it speaks in USA. It's very costly, expensive city, boss. Expensive country. FR, French as it speaks in France. DED, German as it speaks in Germany. FRCF, French as it speaks in Canada. HIIN, Hindi as it speaks in India. Okay, these are the bit this one guys. Why this is like as it speaks, as it speaks. And you take Chinese language, guys. It is there almost 10 to 12 Asian country. Do you think it will be spoken in the same slang, same accent everywhere? No. Country to country slang and accent will change. Okay. English also accent will change time to time. Spanish also accent will change. Are forget about all these things. You take our Hindi boss. Hindi is the national language in India, right? Do you think it will be spoken same in all countries, all places of India? No, it will be different in different places, right? UP Hindi is different. A lot of Bhojpuri touch will be there. Bihari Hindi, Lalu Prasad Yadav touch will be there. Aisa no na? I think MP people speaks quite Suddhi Hindi, right? Quite good Hindi. But in that case also, Bhopal people are having Nizam effect. And Hyderabad Hindi is totally different. In Hyderabad Hindi, we use those words which are not there in Hindi. For example, to say Bhopal and Hyderabad Hindi almost nearby because both are ruled by Nizams. Are ruled by Nizams. So that effect will be there. Urdu effect will be there. Okay. Uh, in Hyderabad and Bhopal, you can see like this. To say kyunki, they say kaiku. Kaiku, right? Bhopal is ruled by Raja Bose. No, sir. Later, some effect of is there. Later, some effect of. Uh, Later effect of Nizam people are there. Before our effect, I don't know. Okay. Check the history once. And to say nahi hai, we say nako. To say nahi hai, we say nako, right? And they pronounce S as es. Today is no is school are. They never say school, they say school. Speaker, right? Speaker. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Yeah, these are the example location, guys. Okay. First word is language, second word is country. And generally we write country code in uppercase, language code in lowercase, right, boss? Right. Now listen. I18n is nowhere related to business logic of the application. We don't touch business logic part, guys. See, guys, in Google, only presentations are changing based on the country I choose, language I choose. Yes, na, boss. Only presentation part is changing. It's purely related to presentation logic. I18n deals with presentation label, text content, number formats. Array, we Indians believe in what? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crore. Crore is the highest representation. But US people, units, tens, hundreds, thousands up to okay. After that, for them what? Million, billion, trillion, this kind of terminologies will start. So accordingly, commas in the numbering will change or not? Comma locations in the numbering will change or not? Next, currency symbols, boss. Currency symbols. I want reply. Dollar symbol. Array, Indian rupee. Nowadays, Indian rupee symbol has come. USD, Singapore dollar, USD, US dollar. Okay, the different date formats. Indians write in DD, YY. US people writes MMDD, YY. Those things. Time formats. Even time formats also will change, guys. So these are the things that we have to take care. Yeah, some people write 24 hours format, some people writes in 12 hours format. In 12 hours format, some people includes nanosecond, some people includes only hours and minutes. Yeah, by enabling i18n on the application, we can make more local customers coming and doing business with our application. This leads to increase in the revenue, right, guys? More business means more customers. More customers means more revenue. More revenue means more profits. Enabling i18n on the application or website. We can make that application or website used by different local people. That means we can increase the business value. Google.com, Amazon website, banking application, FB application, Instagram application, Google Maps, and etc. Nowadays, almost every popular application is supporting internationalization so that uh, the people who are having basic education also can operate the application, guys. Okay. How to create a local object technically in Java? Local L is equal to new local of country code plus language. Sorry. Language code plus country code. First language code, then country. Okay. Spring gives built-in support for i18n. We have ctx.getMessage method. Array. ctx.getMessage method to get presentation label based on the local object data, specified local object data. Sir, if I pass what? X company local object, X country and local object. I will get message from X country related message, guys. So we have built-in support. How we got get bean method to give bean class object by collecting the bean ID. Okay. Here we pass the key of the property file, guys. So based on the key that is passed, we will get the value. We will get the value. What's the difference? ctx.getBean method gives Spring Bean class object reference based on the given bean ID. ctx.getMessage method is given to get the message from property file based on the given key and local object information, guys. Based on the local object information and given key, it will give the message from the property file. To enable i18n in Spring Boot application or Spring application, first of all, what you have to do, especially for presentation labels. Especially for presentation labels, guys. Especially for presentation labels, tell me what should I do? Especially for presentation labels, tell me what should I do? You want to enable internationalization on four or five languages. You need to take 5 property file, including one base property file. What do you mean by base? When no matching property file is there, it will come and collect the information from base property file. Yes, na boss. Generally in base property file, we maintain English keys. English keys and English values. Because generally, most popular used language in world is what? English na boss. That's why. Okay, the base property file name should be there in all other property file having local information. Having extra local information in the file name. Check it out. app.property base file, guys. app_fr_fr.property. It is for a French local. de_de.property. It is for German locale. HI underscore IN dot property. This is for Hindi locale. Uh, APP underscore TE underscore IN dot properties. This is for Telugu locale, guys. This is for Telugu locale. Understanding my statement, boss? Are you understanding my statement, guys? APP dot property base file, French locale, German locale, Hindi locale, Telugu locale. And in all these property files, same keys, different values. But how to get the values? We don't know. French language, German language, Hindi we know little bit, Telugu we know. But how to get this one? Don't worry, we have a Google Translator product is there. From there, by submitting English words, we can get the values. From there, we can by submitting English words, we can get the values. Really, sir, check it out. In all the files, keys are same. Are you noticing it? Keys are same, but values are changing. So instead of wasting your time, directly let me get into the action. So first, let me create a Maven project. Maven project, say next. What is the archetype? Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Just to select all catalog ones. Still not coming. Any spell mistake from my side? I think it's loading. It's loading. They are loading, boss. Actually, it should not take this much time because already they are loaded. Default local not coming. Internal coming, but its version is very old, it seems. Okay, all catalogs. Now it's coming. Okay. Just IOC pros 09 i18n com.nt.main, guys. Save finish. com.nt.main. See, everything is same, guys. Array, as long as you are using core module, no need of separate jar file, no need of fresh jar files. No need of fresh jar files, guys. We can use regular jar file. So we can collect the jar file from where, guys? In entire core module, same jar. Spring context support main jar file you added. So all the jars related to core module will be coming automatically. You will get them automatically, no need of separate things. Spring context support, guys. 6.1.6, guys. Select these guys. Here is my pom.xml, guys. Yes, my dear. 6.1.6 guys. Here is my event dependencies. A lot of jars have come. Okay, now I'm trying to keep all these one base property file and multiple locale specific property file. com.nt.commons. Let me prepare multiple property file here. Hey, come on, let me say one thing. APP is not fixed, guys. Any name we can take. File app.properties. As symbol base file. As symbol base file, guys. Tell me what is the base file? English kan. Okay. Welcome dot message. Welcome. Welcome to Spring. Welcome. Latest version you can use now. Welcome. Welcome message. I will put like this. Hello, how are you? Hello. Goodbye dot message. Goodbye dot message. See you later. See you later. Yeah, tell me next one. Array, one big word, guys. Um, Hello, how are you? Goodbye message. What are the regularly used messages, guys? Tell me, my dear. Okay. Okay. Warming. Warm dot message. Right. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay, these are the things. Nice to meet you. What's going on? Huh? Okay. Internationalization is going on, my dear. Or you are suggesting me to write that? Huh? Fine then. Okay. New file. app_fr_fr dot properties. Say paste, not this. Be this. Say paste for French. For French. Okay, I will prepare 2, 3 files, guys. Then file save as app_hi_in dot properties. For India. For Hindi. Hindi is important here. File save as app_, since I am there in Singapore, Singapore, okay, Malay, ml_SZ, Singapore shortcut code is FZ, SZ guys, otherwise Malay language, Malay, Malay language code guys, Malay language code, Malay language code. Where is that Malay language code? Mala language ISO code, guys. ISO code. ISO code. Are not there. ISO code is not there, guys. MS is there. Sure. Where is that, guys? I'm not able to see that. SZ. Malay is now written using Latin script. Now Rumi, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Latin, Indonesia. Search two-letter code. Two-letter. Malay language two-letter code. Getting you? How did you get, guys? I'm not using Google search engine. Best thing I'm using. Then yeah, Yahoo search is best. Waste, guys. Yeah, it's giving directly. MS. Mhm. Yeah. Next. Okay. Hmm. One more thing here. What Malay language? Okay. Let's take some more thing, guys. Chinese also. Let's take Chinese. Hindi already we have taken. Let's take Chinese then. Chinese country code and language code, guys. Anyone? Chinese. Chinese language code. ZNCH. See, ZNCN. Chinese. Chinese as it speaks in China. Chinese as it speaks in Singapore. Chinese as it speaks in traditional one. I don't know where it is. Okay, Chinese as it speaks in Hong Kong. Are like this, lot of Chinese flavors are there. So many Chinese flavors are there. Okay, so many Chinese flavors are there. For Telugu, in India also for local languages, TEIN, TAIN, yeah, Marathi, all this stuff, guys. Yeah, what is this? ZHCN, huh? Okay. ZHCN. Okay, let me take one local language, guys. Local language. Okay, by other languages, I'll take what I speak, Telugu. T underscore IN dot properties. Sir, you are taking, that's nice. Okay, base property file, we got it. This is good part. But what about remaining things, sir? Wherever English scripts are there, you will get English script. Wherever English script is not there, you will get Unicode characters, boss. In Java output, we can have Unicode characters. In the typing ASCII only allowed, but in the output, guys, we can display the output in Unicode characters. Here is my translate, boss. Say paste. Hello, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? This is in Telugu, guys. I think we have taken this. We have taken this. This is in Telugu. IN dot properties. See, guys, when you paste them, you will get Unicode characters. Because can you write Telugu in English alphabets? No. Telugu has got its own script, guys. Telugu has got its own script. You cannot write in English. So that is called Unicode characters. They are called Unicode characters. Now let's go for Hindi. Hindi. Okay, the bad part is even this part is converted, guys. I don't want to see he's got converted. I don't want to see keys got converted. I don't know why keys got converted. Oh, okay. Welcome dot message, warm dot message, guys. It is not coming in Hindi. Restore the original. This is not original. This key also not original. Okay, when you have this kind of problem, guys, very simple. Start worrying about keys here. Stop keeping the keys there. Stop keeping the keys there. Stop keeping the keys there when things are not taken in a proper way. Yes, boss. ठीक है. ठीक है. क्या आप जानते हैं? ओके. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. తర్వాత కలుద్దాం. बहुत बढ़िया. I think it's going wrong, guys. यहाँ तक अच्छी विकल्प है. It's going wrong. It's going wrong. 1 minute. That's why what we do is we go to base property file. We take English ones. We take English ones. Say paste. That's the one thing. Say paste. See you later. That's another thing. Yes, boss. बोले हेलो. हेलो. आप कैसे हैं? आई थॉट इज कोल्डिंग. बाद में मिलते हैं. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. फाइन. दिस इज गुड, गाइस. कॉपी दिस कंटेंट. Go to Hindi property file urgently. Yes, guys. Okay. Hindi property file. That is Telugu na. That is Telugu. Hindi property file. Okay. Say paste, guys. This is the way we have to do it. Say paste, my dear. Collect this. Collect this. Paste it. Unicode characters, guys. Because our Indian language got, we have our own script, right? Cut it. Paste it. This is for Hindi, guys. Tell me next one. Yeah, Singapore Malay language, guys. For Malay, everything in English only. Not there also. First of all, Malay is recognized by Google. People are not. Let me check. Malay, boss. Malay. Yeah. Jumpa lagi si. Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Selamat. Selamat. Okay, fine. Whatever it is. Right, boss. script for them. No script for them. They get in English only. Next one. Okay. Chinese boss. Same thing I would like to see in Chinese. Simplified China. Simplified China language. Okay, now it's converting everything, boss. We don't need everything to be converted. Hello, how are you? He should be same everywhere. He must be same everywhere. Yeah, these are the Chinese boss. Anyone knows China, please pronounce. But it's most difficult language to learn, it seems. It's purely symbols based. And big things can be written in a simple symbol, guys. Paste. Cut. Paste. Of course. Yeah, French is there, but luckily, French can be written in English, guys. French can be written in English. That actually good news. Bonjour, all this stuff, okay, can be written in English. French can be written in English. Perfect, yes. Mhm. Bonjour, comment was to A plus third. That's what that's. Yes, my dear, we are ready with property file. Okay. Now what should I do? I need to configure this property file, guys. Good news is all are having same base name. If you can configure base property file, that is enough. And more interestingly, you can for that one there is a predefined class, guys. You need not com.nt.config, guys. com.nt.config. Right click, new class, app config post. New class app config. At the rate configuration. Perfect. No predefined classes, no class, no packages to scum. Yeah, public resource bundle message source, resource bundle message source. Create RDBMS, resource bundle message source. Hey, first time I'm telling, we should give fixed bean ID. That too case sensitive. I will explain why. Fixed bean ID. You cannot take anything else. Okay. Source bundle message source. Source is equal to new resource bundle message source. Source dot set base name. Source dot base name. Only base file name you have to mention. Com slash nt slash commons slash app. Even extension is also not. Com slash nt slash commons slash app, guys. Return source. Basic property file is configured or not, guys. Basic property file is configured or not. I want reply from you people. Fine. Array, yeah, this is compulsory. No, no. Property source can configure individual property file. When property files are there designed for internationalization, this one is the one you have to copy. This one is the one that you have to copy, guys. Go to this one. Now you develop the client application, guys. New class. i18n and testapp.java. i18n and testapp.java. Create the IOC container. Annotation context ETX is equal to new annotation context of config.class, guys. App config.class. Super. Okay, guys. First of all, here I want to read language code, country code. And I'm not going to work with any get bean concept here. I'm going to work with get message. System.out.println. Lang is equal to sc dot next. Enter country code. String country is equal to sc dot next. We are having language code, we are having country. Prepare locale object. Creating locale object here, guys. I am creating locale object here. Okay. Having country code and language code collected from end user. Collected from the end user. Fine, boss. Let me put semicolon here. Locale object is ready. Now container is created. Container is created. Get the messages. Okay. Get the messages from the properties file. Now, specific property file by passing the locale. By passing the locale, guys. Okay, by passing the locale and key. And based on the key and locale you pass, it will pick up one property file and it will try to read all messages from that property file. Come on, it will try to read all messages from that property. String msg1 is equal to String msg1 is equal to ctx dot get message. What is the code? tp dot properties, guys. Welcome dot message. What dot message, guys? Welcome dot message, boss. Hmm. What dot message, my dear? Welcome dot message. Welcome dot message. Welcome dot message. Now listen. Array, are you want to pass any arguments here? No. New object array empty string. I'll explain this, guys. Do you want to pass any additional information along with the message? No. Then what is next one? Local object data. Okay, first message has come. Second, third. Message 2. What's the second message, guys? Goodbye dot message. Third one, guys. Warm dot message. What's the third one? Warm dot message, guys. In all the places, message is taken as second, third message, big complete letters, guys. Okay. Message. Whatever you pass there, you got to pass. Welcome dot message, goodbye dot message, warm dot message. Perfect. MSG1 space MSG2 MSG1 MSG2 MSG. Close the container ctx dot close. What, guys? Close the container ctx dot close. And I'm not using getBean, guys, because get message method internally uses getBean method and submits the fixed bean ID message source. From there, it will get the name and location of the property file that is activated based on the local object data. Think very simple, boss. Flow is very simple. Tomorrow I will give the flow. Okay. Tomorrow I will give the flow. Flow is not. Already in here, what is up to what we configured, guys? APP. No need of giving extension. APP. In the local object data, what we are going to give? Country code plus language code. Suppose I have given country code and language code as country, language code TE, country code IN. Already base property file is configured app underscore TE underscore IN dot properties. Telugu related property file will be activated. Suppose while reading data to local object data, I have given FR. Okay, APP is already there. Underscore FR dot properties. Suppose I have given MS-SZ. Already up to APP it is there. Underscore MS underscore SZ dot property will be activated. Okay, whatever we are reading, we are displaying it. Now check it out. If no matching files are given, then what happens? Base property file comes into picture. Okay, MS is the country language code. SZ is there. See, guys, hello, aap kab hai? See you later. For them also, see you later. Selmat Benklin, then this one. Selmat Benklin, something has come. Somehow in Malay language, okay, Jampalagi is there. What is there, guys? Jampalagi is there. Now let's comment. Let's go to see you later. I feel that is coming as it is. This is the problem. Goodbye dot message, na? Says. Yeah. Now given, guys. Now correctly given. Right. Language code MS, country code yes. Yeah. Jampalagi has come now, boss. Jampalagi has come. Okay. Now you want to see in Hindi. You want to see in Hindi. HIIN. हेलो आप कैसे हो बाद में मिलेंगे आपको आपको मिलकर अच्छा लगा ओके फाइन दैट्स गुड యా టెల్ మీ గైస్ టిఐఎన్ హలో ఎలా ఉన్నారు తర్వాత కలుద్దాం నిన్ను కలిసినందుకు సంతోషం ఎంటర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కోడ్ ఎఫ్ఆర్ is coming. I'll use such things which are not matching. Excellent. Now it's coming from base property file. The messages are coming from base property file. When no matching property file, it is collecting the things from base property file. What do you say, guys? Yeah, that is what we said. Yeah, what is the first step I did? Prepare multiple locale specific property file. Base name should be continued on the file and locale and country word should be added at the end of the file name. At the end of the file name. Okay, guys. Sir, why are you presenting this array? Why are you presenting this array? For example, in the first message, I am passing floor bracket 0. Floor bracket 0. Hindi also I am writing at the end floor bracket 0. That means I can pass some message from my system, guys. In Chinese also floor bracket 0 because I have not tested. Now tell me, guys, I can keep arguments in the message and I can pass those values from here. I can pass those values from here. See, guys, new object array, I am passing that. Yeah, you can keep arguments in the message and you can customize them messages by passing from here. I think we kept in which places floor bracket 0, guys? In which places we kept floor bracket 0? HIIN. Hello, aap kaise hai, Raja? You're able to get the message? No, don't expect that message in internationalization. Don't expect like this to pass the arguments we have. Max 5 arguments you can pass 0 through 4. 0 through 4, total 5 arguments we can pass. Is it not interesting, Rababu? I want reply. Is it not interesting? I want reply, guys. Yeah. Listen. Get message method internally calls get bean method having fixed bean ID. Okay. Can we pass Unicode message to support internationalization? No, Unicode message passing is not there, only printing is there. Unicode message, if you pass, it will take and hold in the variable. But for that one, we should have a separate keyboard and other things. Separate keyboard and other things, guys. See, if you pass, it will be stored in the variable, but passing part you have to set right. How to pass, how to type, you have to set right. Since IOC container internally calls ctx.getBean method, having fixed bean ID message source, to access and use resource bundle message source class object. So we must configure this class as Spring Bean, having fixed bean ID message source. Fixed bean ID message source. I will give the flow part later, guys. First time I am saying bean ID is fixed, guys. Remaining all aspects are same, country code, language code. Then we are submitting data here. We are simply submitting the keys there. By submitting keys, we are getting the values. Okay, in one message only we are passing argument, that is this. Come on, guys, tell me, are you able to fill the internationalization? Flow part I will give tomorrow. Flow I will take care of tomorrow. Are you able to fill the internationalization? Okay, sir, why are you giving fixed bean ID to message source? You are not going to call this method. Get message method internally calls that method. Source code is open. Here one more get message is there. Open implementation, guys. Abstract application context. Somewhere you can see that it is having fixed bean ID. Message source is having fixed bean ID. Because get bean method internally calls get message method. Get bean method internally calls get message method. I hope you convinced, guys. If you give correct locale and country code and language code, it will come. Otherwise, it will go to some other place. And from there also you can get it. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. I hope you watched videos, whatever I have given. Can you provide notes link, please? Okay, you ask admin. Admin is having right to share such things, not me. And why you or check your email or WhatsApp message, you might have received there. You might have already received there. I don't have provision to share the notes with you. Yeah, classroom applications I'll share tomorrow, guys. Can you guide us out about Git and GitHub? Twinkle Kumari, I'm going to conduct session on it. I'm going to conduct session on it. After conducting session, you can do on your own. Or if you're a full stack student, there is a DevOps course. There we are going to learn. Okay, guys. What's your batch code, guys? 9 a.m. guys. 901. 9 a.m. Spring Core. Right click folder. Spring here. 90. What is this? 901 Spring Core. What is this, guys? What is this? Today's date is 14th. Internationalization. Are you able to feel internationalization with respect to presentation labels? Based on the locale we choose during the execution of the application, it is changing the things as needed. It is changing the things as needed, Navas. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time.